Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the volume icon is not showing in the menu bar on Mac OS. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. In the sidebar, scroll down and click on Menu Bar. Next, scroll down until you find the Menu Bar Controls section. Now, look for the sound option. If it's not enabled, go ahead and turn it on. Then next to it, click the drop-down menu and select Always Show. As soon as you enable this, the volume icon should immediately appear in your menu bar. If it's still not showing, try restarting your Mac. This can refresh the system and bring the icon back. And that's it. Your volume icon should now be visible in the menu bar. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.